If you have pushed an update to a live WordPress site and something is broken, this video is for you. Today, I am going to show you WordPress staging. Staging creates a full copy of your website in a completely safe environment. You can make all your changes there, test everything, and only push it live once you are happy with it. It's one of those features that gets used all the time. You can use it to build out a brand new site before it ever goes live. You can migrate a site over and test everything is working properly before making the switch. Or you can use it to try out new themes and plugins without ever touching your live site. At WP Buzz, we are a WordPress hosting company and most of our clients are web design agencies. Staging is something they rely on every single day. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a staging site on WP Buzz and then how to push it live once you are ready. It's pretty straightforward once you see it done, so let's just get into it.
Okay, to add a staging site, all we need to do is go to add website. In here, you can see that you have two options, a production website or a staging website. Since we are building a staging site, we'll click on staging site. Now let's imagine that the website I want to build today is called spurs.io. So I'll simply write spurs. It will be .staging.wppers.io, but it can be anything. I mean, you can name it really anything you feel like. The second thing is we will fill in the WordPress admin credentials. I'll fill these in. I'll simply click on add. Please allow it a few seconds. And there you go, your staging is complete. The next thing to do with your staging is to go to security, request a Let's Encrypt certificate to make sure that our staging site is secure. Click on request. Please allow it a few seconds. Your staging site has been issued a Let's Encrypt certificate. Now I will also click on forced HTTPS to make sure that it always loads over a secure connection. Forced HTTPS has been enabled. I'll go back to the home and click on our staging site. And once I've clicked on the staging site, as you can see in here that the SSL has already been installed. I will now build the site, and once I have built the site, I will show you how to take it live. So I'll go into the admin. Right, we are in the admin. I will stop the video here, just put up a template website, and once I've done that, I will show you how to take it live. Okay, I have built this site in a few minutes using a free theme and free plugins, etc. Now that this site is here, all I want to do now is take this staging site and push it to live on the domain spurs.io. So how am I going to do that? It's simple. We are in our staging site. Simply click on push live, and since we have not created spurs.io website, I will click on to a new website, and here I will select my package which I am assigned to, the domain name spurs.io, and also make sure that perform a WordPress search and replace is also checked. Now I will click on push live, allow it a few seconds. Okay, there you go. It only took a few seconds and our website has already been cloned from the staging environment to the production environment. Now I'll go and click on manage website. Okay, just making sure that the Let's Encrypt is already installed. It is. Also, I want to make sure that the forced HTTP is checked as well. Okay, the forced HTTPS is enabled now. Okay, now that the HTTPS is enabled, I want to log into spurs.io to see whether my site has been cloned from the staging environment to the production environment. I'll click on admin from within the control panel, and it will allow me to log in. Now let's visit the site, and there you go. Check that out. The website we built in the staging environment has been cloned to the production environment. Just to make sure that everything appears good on the front end, I will click on purge all. is very important. Otherwise, you may get a cached version of the old WordPress install or just a basic theme. So it's really important that you purge this once you have cloned from the staging to the production. Now the second thing I want to do is I want to go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to settings, reading, and make sure that the search engine visibility is not checked. Because sometimes what happens is that when you're building a site in a staging environment, that has discouraged search engines checked, because it's a staging environment and we don't want the staging URLs to be indexed by Google. So I just want to make sure that this is unchecked. Everything seems good. Click on save changes, just because why not. Click on log out and have a look at our production sites, and there you go, production site. It is as simple as that. If you come across any issues, please do not hesitate to get in touch with the support, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you. Build awesome websites and stay awesome.